today I'm going to be showing you how to get Sony Vegas 15 for absolutely free, and it's actually one of my most used programs ever, which is so amazing. And this video is just completely insane for me. And if you're one of the people who don't believe in these things and are afraid of virus and why not, I'll leave a link down below in the description so you can go and check for yourself that this is absolutely legit and contains no virus whatsoever. So let's get right into it, shall we? Oh, that's better. So to download Sony Vegas, you need to go to this website right here from Mega, which will take you to this page. You gotta download the .rar file, and that's the file that you need. And I already downloaded this file, so there's no need to download it again. So I'll go just here. Wait a minute. Here, and this is the file. It's a .rar file. If you don't have WinRAR, I'll list it down below in the description, so you can open the file yourself. And open this. This is the trial. It will extract the file first, and English, obviously, and next. Let's change this to D and make a new folder. Name it Sony Vegas, and okay, and install. Come on. It won't take much long. It's not that big of a deal, but it's just the first time, so it may take a bit more time if your PC is not that great, but it will work in the end. So after the download is finished, you click here on finish, and then open the next file, which is also a .rar file. You open it and you run this patch.exe file, and then this is the folder where you install the original Sony Vegas. So it's already there, and of course it's a different language. I don't know, I think that's Russian or something, I don't know. And you just click next, and now you're good to go. You press finish, and that's it. I should find his Sony Vegas. Give me a second. Here, Vegas Pro 15. You press, and this may take a while because it's actually the first time. When you open the program for the second time and whatever, and it will be much more faster, and it also depends on the processing power of your PC and all these other things and whatever. So this is it. This is the program, and there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube, and make sure to like and subscribe for this channel if you want to see tutorials on Sony Vegas Pro 15, and I'm sure I'm gonna make some tutorials on this amazing program. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's it.
Hey there, do you like clicking buttons? Click here to subscribe, and click here to see the next video, and you'll finally be happy.